Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for December 15th, 2015. And this right here is what's left of the area low pressure with associated cold front that pushed through in the overnight hours now. And although it's a cold front, and despite the name cold front, we're expecting some cold air to rush in behind this. This is not going to happen this time, although it will be cooler than what it was for the past couple of days with those record highs set across many locations in our area. We'll now get back down into the 50s as opposed to 60s to near 70. So although it will be cooler, it's not going to be cold and still well above normal for this time of year. So call it morning clouds giving way to sun today. I think our western sections will clear out faster. Might be by mid-morning already, but elsewhere further east we have some clouds hanging around, and then the sun returns in the afternoon, becoming mostly sunny today. So we're not expecting any precipitation to fall during the daylight hours today. This should be out of here, moves away with that system. We'll be a little bit breezy today. You can see that with the isobars here, pretty close proximity today, so that's another thing to keep in mind. We'll be a little bit breezy today, probably about 10 to 15 miles per hour from the west, and gust up to 30 miles per hour occasionally during the day today behind this frontal boundary. Then the winds will calm down quite a bit here for Wednesday. We get another mostly sunny day with high pressure control and temperatures again in the 50s, so it's not going to be not too warm, not too cold. But it's definitely a nice day here on Wednesday. And then we have another cold front that's going to be approaching. This is with in association with an area low pressure that's off the map here up to the north, and this is going to bring some shower activity. Now the models have backed off on the impressive rain totals that it was originally projecting, keeping most of that forcing down south here with the area low pressure that's developing along the front. For us, it looks like just showers for the most of the day, on and off showers, and generally on the light side, nothing really too major. We will have to watch the area low pressure that's trying to develop along the front here. This frontal boundary is moving too quickly to the east here to allow for any cold air to rush in behind this to give us a wintry threat. So with nothing like that going to occur, I know we were looking at this about a week ago, or maybe a little bit more than that, and some models were suggesting we had the cold catch up to it behind it. Behind this frontal boundary, there will be a true cold air mass moving in behind it. We're actually going to have temperatures near to even slightly below normal for highs, especially on Saturday. I think many locations are stuck in the 30s for highs, unless you get down here by the Philadelphia metropolitan area. So we should have a true cold behind this here. We're watching another area low pressure that the models are suggesting would track along this front here. This would be for Friday. We're going to keep this offshore. It's called partly cloudy here on Friday, as this does not have any ensemble support for any wintry activity. So we'll keep that away from the area here and not worry about that right now. And then again, the weekend here, getting into Saturday, again, these isobars are pretty tightly packed again. So we're going to have another breezy day, winds out of the northwest, and they're going to be quite breezy. Temperatures will be stuck in the 30s in many locations. We might even have some lake effect snow up here in the snow belts east of downwind of Lake Erie, Lake Ontario. So those areas will finally get into some accumulating snow. Not a lot, but just enough, looks like, with persistent flow off the lakes here in the usual areas downwind of the lakes. So, but we will be dry this weekend elsewhere. Wouldn't be surprised to see a stray snow shower flurries make it up here to the extreme northern counties here in Pennsylvania, especially northwest up here by, say, Bradford, Tioga, Susquehanna, those counties up here, like Lycoming, to see a few snowflakes come through, but nothing really of any substance, and we'll just be cold this weekend. But this cold is very short-lived. You see this high pressure that's moving to our south here is going to set up shop here off the eastern coasting, and we're going to get another big ridge building in here in the east here. So we're going to go from this weekend with a trough over the east here, giving us these below normal temperatures. And then this is looking at the end of the period here. This is getting close. This is Christmas Eve, actually very early Christmas Eve. And you can see some impressive warmth here with another ridge, another high pressure sitting out here in the Atlantic, just pumping up this ridge here. And that is going to be with us, we think, until about Christmas or maybe the day after. And then we'll have some cold air move in behind it. But this does look like another significant warm-up as we head into the work week next week. And right now it looks like that cold blast that we're going to have this weekend, where we have temperatures near to slightly below normal, will be very short-lived and transient. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for December 15th, 2015. Have a great Tuesday.